Beth yw Gwaith Ieuenctid? Wel, yn ôl geiriau Roosevelt, we cannot always build future for our youths, but we can build our youths for the future. Ac I fi, mae hynny'n crynhoi y proffesiwn Gwaith Ieuenctid. I ni fel gweithwyr ieuenctid yn gweithio gyda phobl ifanc I ymestyn eu sgiliau mwyn gallu delio gyda unrhyw sefyllfa o ddiblaen nhw.
Youth work is all about empowering young people, such as we work in youth centres, we work in the community, doing street-based, we work in schools. We also work with other partners and organisations to support young people.
Youth work to me is always having someone to listen and to talk to. It's about caring for each other.
Youth work is about aiding and enhancing the personal social development of young people through voluntary participation. It should also aim to help young people to engage with society and bring about social change. And fundamental to this is youth participation, liberation and empowerment.
It's encouraging and supporting young people to reach their full potential. That may be through means of education or social development and personal development. As youth workers, I feel we aim to build positive and trusting relationships with young people and also provide young people with a safe space to often explore experiences and issues they may be facing.
Just got to say a few words about youth work. They say youth work changes lives. In my humble opinion, youth work saves lives, gives young people the opportunity to talk, discuss, meet new people, develop new skills, be hopeful, find talents, find their place in the universe. Without youth work, we're a less rich society. Keep being human and rock on youth work.
Youth work is giving young people opportunities. It's about showing them good examples. It's about helping them get over their issues. It's lots of stuff, but most importantly, it's about young people and it's about helping them be the best that they can be.
Youth work focuses on the personal and social development and working on the skills and attributes of all young people. This can take place in a variety of settings, such as youth clubs, outreach, detached, and within schools and colleges.
Youth work, to me, is essentially about the relationship we build with young people. A relationship that's voluntary, based on trust and a mutual respect. It's about supporting young people with the issues that affect and matter to them most in their lives at that time. It's the provision of opportunities and activities that build confidence and resilience and make them successful in their lives.
Youth work means different things to different people and is not confined to a single setting. It can be in a variety of situations or contexts. Youth work changes lives, and it is through youth work and the trusted established relationships that can be built between staff and young people or peers themselves that allows young people to develop and build resilience and make effective choices.
Work is the privilege to build trusting relationships with young people and utilising those relationships to enable, empower and encourage them to progress through their lives as well-rounded, capable, stable, happy and healthy individuals. Gwaith Ieuenctid yw'r fraint I adeiladu perthnasoedd ymddiried gyda pobl ifanc ac defnyddio'r perthnasoedd I galluogi, grymuso ac annog nhw I symud trwy eu bywydau fel unigolion cyflawn, galluog, sefydlog, hapus a iach.
Youth work is a voluntary relationship between young people and youth workers where they work collaboratively to help empower young people to gain the knowledge and skills to progress in life and become active citizens.
Youth work is working with young people, identifying young people's needs, also building up that relationship with young people and helping them achieve their goals and their dreams, giving them the confidence to realise that they are worth something when other people may not have the same opinion. It's also someone they can turn to if they need be, someone who listens to them, and basically just a role model, just a safe person who they can turn to in time of need, which they may not necessarily have at home.
Youth work allows a safe space for young people to be listened to, express themselves, provides positive experiences, and is also there to support young people when times get tough.
Gwaith Ieuenctid I fi yw adeiladu perthnasau a hyrwyddo datblygiad personol a chymdeithasol pobl ifanc a'i galluogi i gael llais, dylanwad a lle yn eu cymunedau.